Hey guys, the time has come for the tutorial for the song Let It Be by the Beatles. This is one of our first songs that's using a G chord, and we're going to teach you and work with you on that. If you have not done the pattern practice video and the pattern practice worksheet where you practice our verse and chorus pattern, you might want to do that before coming to this tutorial, because we're going to kind of crank through the song now, and we're going to kind of go through verse and chorus and kind of show you how that all fits together. So if you click on the link in the comments area below, you will see that I have attached the attachment for this song if you want to follow along with us. But what you're going to be looking at now is basically the words of the song with the chords written above it. And remember that the number written next to the chord is how many times you strum that chord. So if it has a 2 next to it, you're going to strum it twice. The pattern for this song is everything is 2 strums for everything. So let's go ahead and take a look at the verse. If I pull up the verse, remember, if we did pattern practice, then this chord pattern is going to be familiar to you, so it's not going to be something you've never done before. Everything is in sets of 2, and the pattern is this: C for 2, G for 2, A minor for 2, F for 2, and then C for 2, G for 2, F for 2, and C for 2. And that pattern is actually repeated twice in the first verse of the song. So I'm going to kind of slowly play through the song and play these chords if you want to play along, and then eventually we'll actually play it with the recording in class, which is a little bit faster than this. But just to get you playing it, let's try this together. So you want to set your finger on your C chord, which is your first chord, and we're going to start strumming down twice. So it starts like this. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Second half of the chorus. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Okay? All right, so that is our verse, and we'll have another one of those later on in the song. But now we move to the chorus. In the chorus, we're starting on an A minor. All right, so it's going to be A minor for 2, G for 2, F for 2, C for 2. C for 2, G for 2, F for 2, and then C for 2. So the chorus goes like this. We're going to do it slowly. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And that's our chorus pattern. Then if we move on to the next part of the song, which is another verse, it's the same pattern as the beginning, where you have C for 2, G for 2, A for 2, F for 2, C for 2, G for 2, F for 2, C for 2. So we'll do the second verse, starting with the C. Get your finger set. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. Verse pattern again. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let's go into the chorus. Again, we've done it once, but we'll do it again. A minor, get your finger set on the orange dot. Let it be, let it be, let it be. wisdom, let it be. All right, so that is the song. You're just repeating that verse and chorus pattern. Then we can do it as a class together with a recording, or if you think you've got this and you want to go ahead and play with the recording, you can go ahead and find it and play it, and we'll try playing it as a class when we are together. If you have any questions, of course, you can always ask. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and have a great day.